11. Storage devices. Storage devices are the devices used to store data or are work done on the computer. If we don't save the computer data, it will get lost. So, let us learn to save the computer data. We can keep the toys in a drawer, a small bag, or a cupboard, depending on the size and number of toys we have. Similarly, we can store data in different disks such as a hard disk, flash drive, and compact disk, read-only memory, CD-ROM. The data on these disks remains on them even when we switch off the computer. The data on a disk is stored as bits. A bit is the smallest unit of data having the values 0 or 1. 8 bits make 1 byte. Different types of disks. 1. Hard disk. Hard disk is a storage device that is fixed on a hard disk drive inside the computer cabinet, and it stores all the data that we require while using the computer. Hard disks can be of different sizes, of which some can store less data and some can store a large amount of data. We can measure the amount of data that we can store on a disk. The amount of data that a hard disk can store is measured in terms of gigabytes, GB. 1 gigabyte is approximately equal to 100 crore bytes. 2. External hard drives and USB flash drives. More recently, USB flash drives and external hard drives are being used to store more data and transport the data from one place to another very easily. The external drives can be attached to the computer and can store up to 1000 terabytes TB, where 1 terabyte TB is equal to 1024 gigabytes GB. The USB flash drive can store up to 200 GB data and is very small in size and convenient to use. 3. Compact disk, read-only memory, CD-ROM or DVD. A compact disk, CD or DVD is like a suitcase where we can fit in a large amount of data and carry it with us from one place to another. Therefore, even a CD-ROM or DVD is movable. We can insert a CD-ROM or DVD into a CD-ROM or DVD drive of the computer cabinet. The big difference between a CD-ROM and a DVD is that a DVD can store much larger amount of data than the CD-ROM. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. Two. Tick if true or cross if false in the brackets. 3. Match the following. Four. Answer the following questions. 1. What are called storage devices? Answer. Storage devices are the devices used to store data or are work done on the computer. 2. What do you know about hard disk? Answer. Answer. Hard disk is a storage device that is fixed on a hard disk drive inside the computer cabinet, and it stores all the data that we require while using the computer. Hard disks can be of different sizes, of which some can store less data and some can store a large amount of data. We can measure the amount of data that we can store on a disk. The amount of data that a hard disk can store is measured in the terms of gigabytes, GB. 3. What do you know about CD-ROM? Answer. A compact disc, CD or DVD is like a suitcase where we can fit in a large amount of data and carry it with us from one place to another. Therefore, even a CD-ROM or DVD is movable. We can insert a CD-ROM or DVD into a CD-ROM or DVD drive of the computer cabinet. 12.